Kiira Motors Corporation is a state enterprise established to champion value addition in the nascent motor vehicle industry in Uganda through technology transfer, contract manufacturing, and supply chain localization.
We are working on plans to shift to electric buses, electric cars, and electric pickups.
The commitment of the government of Uganda to industrialization and e-mobility is a firm step towards sustainable economic and social transformation of the nation. E-mobility provides an appropriate solution addressing current development issues such as decarbonizing transportation, reducing air and noise pollution, reducing reliance on imported fossil fuels, and creation of green jobs. The government of Uganda, under the visionary leadership of His Excellency, the President, has taken definitive steps towards building a robust, competitive, and sustainable mobility industrial value chain in Uganda. The Kayola electric bus, the first of its kind in Africa, is an integrated platform for mobility, energy, and technology. Equipped for 300 kilometers once fully charged, along with support for internet connectivity, hygiene systems, cashless payment management tools, as well as support for persons with special needs, the Kayola EVS is the ultimate solution for public transport in Africa's urban centers. Manufacturing of the Kayola EVS in Uganda presents an opportunity for entrepreneurs to participate in ultimately localizing the production of up to 65% of the parts, systems, and digital mobility solutions, with the potential for over 300 enterprises engaged along the supply chain, employing over 100,000 skilled and semi-skilled persons by 2030. This will ultimately increase demand for the utilization of Uganda's natural resources, such as steel from iron ore deposits, plastics from oil and gas, lithium-ion batteries from graphites, lithium and cobalt deposits, vehicle upholstery and interior padding from cotton and leather, glass from silica sand, among others. These government efforts are premised on synergies between the state, private sector, academia, and development partners to realize a competitive and sustainable mobility industrial value chain in Uganda, moving Africa to her destiny.